Every place in the world sounds unique. These soundscapes tell us a story about that place. They tell us the ways in which global warming is beginning to change the natural soundscape. Just before the sun rises at first light is the dawn chorus. The birds begin to sing, and the insects and the amphibians, and that's the time of day to go out and listen. I'm a soundscape ecologist, and I record animals for a living. This is Sugarloaf State Park. Every spring, I can probably be found there once a week, recording in the same spot, using the same kind of equipment, so that I can repeat these recordings over and over again and compare them. And I have quite an archive of material which shows over time this habitat has been changing pretty radically as a result of global warming and the California drought. The first recording, made in 2004, shows a very robust habitat with a signature of a stream. In 2014, things were changing radically. It was already the second year of the major drought in California. And in 2015, we had what I call a silent spring. Over 50% of my collection comes from habitats that are so radically altered, they're either altogether silent or can no longer be heard in their original form. Here's an example from Costa Rica. That's before logging, this is after. Same spot. This is a coral reef, Vanuatu in Fiji. Part of it is dying and part of it is still living. Here's what the living part sounds like. Here's what the dying part sounds like. Hardly any fish sounds. We really don't know what this means in the long run. In the short run, we're beginning to lose these soundscapes because the habitats are just changing so radically, and we're partly to blame for that. When I first began to record almost 50 years ago, I would go out into the field and just put on a pair of earphones and sit and listen because it made me feel good. It made me aware of the living world around me. And so I want to do anything that does that for me.